Hello everyone, my name is Pavita, Assistant Professor in CSC Department at RPIIT Campus Bastada Karnal. Welcome to our YouTube channel RPIIT Academics. If you like the content of this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and save the content. Let's talk today cloud computing architecture. Cloud computing architecture requirements. Introduction. Cloud computing architecture. Various kind of cloud computing architecture. So grid and cloud computing, transaction on demand and distributed computing. Requirements. Cloud computing is required to meet the requirement of scalability, cost efficiency, legal agreement and business. Changing requirement and roles. Changing are the required for IT and software architecture like data storage distribution, high processing computation, transaction computing, caching, workflows, access control, service level agreement requirements. Architecture for elasticity. Vertical scale up. Keep on adding resources to a unit to increase computation power. Process the job in single computation unit with a high resources. Horizontal scale outs. Keep on adding discrete resources for computation and make them behave as in converged unit. Splitting job in multiple discrete machines, combine the output. Distribute database. For HPC, second option is better than first because complexity and cost of first option is very high. Introduction cloud computing architecture. Cloud computation reference model. Cloud high level architecture. 5 major actors with their role, responsibilities, activities and function is cloud computing. Understanding of the requirement, uses, characteristic and standards of cloud computing. Cloud consumer, cloud provider, cloud broker, cloud auditor, cloud carrier. Cloud service characteristic: on demand self-service, broad network access, resource pooling, rapid elasticity, measured service. Actors in cloud computing. Cloud consumer, a person or organization that maintain a business relationship with end user service from cloud providers. Cloud provider, a person, organization or entity responsible for making a service available to interested parties. Cloud auditor, a party that can conduct independent assessment of cloud service, information system operation, performance and security of the cloud implementations. Cloud broker, an entity that manages the use, performance and delivery of cloud service and relationship between cloud provider and cloud consumer. Cloud carrier, an entity that provide connectivity and transport of cloud service from cloud provider to cloud consumer. That is defined in this diagram as you can see in these pictures. Cloud auditor, cloud provider, cloud broker or cloud consumer. Cloud consumer. Cloud consumer browser and use the service. Cloud consumer set up contract with the cloud provider. Cloud consumer need SLA to specify the technical performance requirement fulfilled by a cloud provider. SLA cover the quality of service, security, remedies for the performance failures. A cloud provider lists some of SLA that limited and the cloud consumer by must acceptations. Cloud consumer can briefly choose a cloud provider with the better pricing with the favorable conditions. Pricing policy and SLAs non-negotiables. Cloud consumer. This diagram defines different part of cloud consuming. Just like ERP, human resources, social network, content management, email or office, productivity, document management, CRM, computer, backup or recovery, CDN, platform, hosting, service management, storage, PaaS, consumer. These diagrams define different type of cloud consuming. Cloud provider. Cloud provider acquire and manage the computing infrastructure requirement for providing the service, runs the cloud software that provide the service and make an agreement to deliver the cloud service to the cloud consumer through the network access. SS provider deploy, configuring, maintains the update to operations of the software application on a cloud. PaaS provider manage the computing infrastructure for the platform and component. Cloud provider. 5 major activities of cloud provider: service deployment, service, cloud service management, security, privacy. This diagram define cloud provider in different ways. Just like we can see, service deployment, service, cloud service management, security or privacy. Cloud auditor. Audits are performed to verify conformation to standard. Auditor evaluate the security control, privacy, impact, performance, exact. Auditing the especially important for federal agencies. Security audit can be make assessment of the security control to determine the extent of which the controls are implemented the correctly, operating in needed the producing the distribute desired outcome. It is done by the verification of the complications with the regulation and security policy. Cloud carrier. Cloud carriers provide access to the consumer through network telecommunications and other access device. For example, cloud consumer can obtain cloud service through the network access device such as computer, laptop, mobile phone, mobile internet device, MIDS, etc. The distribution of cloud services is normally provided by the network and telecommunications carrier on transport agent, where the transport agent refer to the business organization that provide physical transport of storage media such as high capacity hard device. Various kind of cloud computing architecture. Web 2.0 features Web 2 based homepage, search, RSS, chat, sharing, personalized website, podcast, video casting, YouTube, focus on community, online collaborations of tagging. On-demand computing. It is one of required features of cloud computing. Enterprise level of computing. More technology and computing resources are allocated to the organization or each individual user on the basis of demand. Example of computing resources are CPU, cycle bandwidth, availability, storage, and application. Thank you. Thank you so much watching for this video.